Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Bitcoin Traders Club opportunity presentation. I'm very excited to share this information. When I heard about this company for the first time, the owner called me. He's a friend of mine from Panama, and he calls me and he says, listen, I want you to get involved with this company. I want you to be the master distributor of the company. And one of the things I said, listen, the only way that I'll get involved with any Bitcoin trading company is if I verify that they really are doing the trading and that they're making enough money from the trading in order to share in the profits with the members. And obviously, that's the most important thing for me. But in addition to that, we have to make sure that the trading is real, the compensation plan is aggressive, and sustainable at the same time. After I saw what he showed me, the trading results that he was getting trading cryptocurrency through the arbitrage model, I got very excited and started building this. And as they say, the rest is history. So I'm very excited to share the Bitcoin Traders opportunity with you here today. So let's go ahead and jump right into the presentation. So who are we? Bitcoin Traders Club is a cryptocurrency trading and arbitrage company founded in 2017 to help individuals with automatic hands-free trading. Okay, so pretty much what the company does is that they take our Bitcoin, they trade it through the arbitrage model, which we'll get into a little bit later, and based on the company's profits for the day, they share in those profits with us, and all commissions are paid 100% in Bitcoin. BTC, Bitcoin Traders Club, offers individuals the potential opportunity to profit from the cryptocurrency markets without having experience in trading, without you doing the trading yourselves. Simply getting a position, locking it in, and having the company trade your Bitcoin for you, you're able to earn a passive income, which means there is no recruiting. There is no selling involved in order for you to make money. Now, however, if you do recruit, you do sell, and you participate in the compensation plan, well, you're obviously going to earn commissions based on building a team as well. But you don't have to do that in order to earn the passive income from the daily trading that the company does. So what is our market? Bitcoin Traders Club market is, when it comes to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is a new digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions for Bitcoin are made with no middlemen, meaning there is no banks involved. Nowadays, there's more and more merchants around the world starting to accept Bitcoin. As of July 2017, there's over 500,000 businesses in Japan alone that are accepting Bitcoin. A lot of Asian markets are accepting Bitcoin a lot more. And even here in the United States, there's a lot of companies accepting Bitcoin as well. So it's very exciting. It's a very exciting time for Bitcoin, and it's getting more and more popular every day. So a little bit about the Bitcoin timeline. Okay, Bitcoin's idea was born in 2008. And then in 2009, Bitcoin started getting created, started getting mined. Okay, by 2010, the famous pizza story happened. For those of you guys that may not be familiar, somebody, I believe it was in Florida, posted something online saying that he was willing to give 10,000 Bitcoin for somebody who would pay for 2 pizzas. I believe they were Papa John's pizzas. Long story short, somebody, I believe it was in Australia, saw the post, said, hey, I'll go ahead and send you those Bitcoin, those pizzas that you want for those 10,000 Bitcoin. Keep in mind, at the time, Bitcoin was not worth anything. It didn't have a value. But the person out in Australia saw value, and he believed that it was going to go up. So what happened is that he ended up calling the pizza place, paid with his credit card. The pizzas were delivered to the gentleman in Florida, and then the gentleman in Florida paid the gentleman in Australia the 10,000 Bitcoin, which is now worth almost $3 million in today's current value. So imagine that. Almost $30 million is what those 10,000 Bitcoin are worth. And then in 2010, it received its first value of 10 cents per coin. 10 cents per coin. By 2017, each Bitcoin was valued at $1,000 per Bitcoin. Now, here's an interesting thing. By 2020, experts predict that the value of Bitcoin will go up to over 10,000. I happen to believe that's going to be the case. I believe that we're going to start 2018 with a value of Bitcoin between 3,000 and 4,000. It started at 1,000 in the beginning of 2017. I believe it'll start 2018. Personally, I believe it'll start at $3,000 per Bitcoin. So the timing, ladies and gentlemen, is absolutely perfect, not only with this company, but just with Bitcoin in general. So a little bit more about our market. Here are some of the banks that are accepting Bitcoin. Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, Citibank, Navy Federal. If you are familiar with any of these banks and they're already accepting Bitcoin, they'll buy your Bitcoin. Now, here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot walk into one of these banks and expect them to accept your Bitcoin there. However, you could do it through online sources, through applications. For instance, if you download the Coinbase application to your Android or your Apple phone, what will happen is that when you download the Coinbase application, I like to think of it like a PayPal for Bitcoin. You connect that application to any of these banks, and you could send your Bitcoin to your bank, and your bank will deposit cash into your bank account within 24 hours. Vice versa, you could connect it to your bank, send money to Coinbase, and Coinbase will deposit Bitcoin into your Coinbase wallet. So here's the thing. If banks like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, Citibank, US Bank are already accepting Bitcoin, why are you not? Why are you not at least taking a look at this? When I got involved in Bitcoin before these banks were accepting it, then when these banks started accepting it, I realized that we're onto something bigger than what I originally thought. So it's very exciting because I've actually been collecting Bitcoin since it was under $300. Now it's over $2,500. This year's gone as high as $3,000 already. So it's a very, very exciting time, ladies and gentlemen, to be involved. Now, here's some of the, in our market, here's some of the businesses and some of the companies that are also accepting Bitcoin. Amazon, Microsoft, PayPal, Shopify, a lot of businesses every day, more and more businesses around the world are accepting Bitcoin. Once again, why are you not accepting Bitcoin if you're not? And if you're, obviously you're curious because you're on this presentation, you are at the right place at the right time, because this information that we're sharing with you here today about the businesses and the banks that accept Bitcoin is all information that you can verify for yourself online. So what do we do? What does Bitcoin Traders Club do? BTC trading system does several transactions per day, several trading transactions per day using Bitcoin and crypto and other cryptocurrencies. We do the trading and we share the earnings with you. Trading results average from 0.4 to 1.5% daily. That means if I bought a $1,000 position with Bitcoin Traders Club, and then today, let's say it paid 0.8, like right in the middle of the average, that means that I made $8 today on my 1,000. So here's my question. How much money would that make me if I had it in my savings account? Nothing. And here's another cool part. They pay us 100% in Bitcoin. No matter what part of the world you're in, you have your position, you put your Bitcoin wallet address there, you're going to receive these payments directly to your Bitcoin wallet, which is a very, very exciting thing. So it's, when I put $1,000 or $3,000 or $5,000 or whatever it is that I put in here, if today I earn 1.5% for the day, which is not very common, 1.5, but the trading makes us an average of 0.4 to 1.5 daily, 5 days a week. That's very important that we understand. It is 5 days a week. The only thing that I have to do as a member is I have to log on to my back office every Sunday, and I have to turn on a robot that gives a robot permission to do the trading for me. If I do not turn on that robot, I will not make the money for the week. However, that money is not lost. That week that I didn't make the money off of the trading, the company puts that week at the end of my contract, so I don't lose that money. It just takes me an additional week for me to make my profits. Okay, so how to earn? BTC is committed to your success, so they've created a marketing plan, a compensation plan that handsomely pays us and rewards us. So the first way is that we can start as a trader. Okay, as a trader, we're going to get into the details. You can get started as a trader, trader pro, or as a builder. So here's the way it works. As a trader, you earn up to 70% of the pack that you bought. So you're going to earn an average of 0.4 to 1.5 daily for a period of 12 months, 5 days per week, or until you reach 70% in earnings, whichever comes first. That means if I start with a $1,000 account, I'm going to earn money till I make $1,700, 100% paid in Bitcoin. So even though it's a 12-month agreement, that doesn't mean it'll take 12 months, but the company gives itself up to 12 months to do that. What are the requirements? Very simple. You buy your membership, which is a $50 membership, plus whatever pack you want to buy, whether that's the $250, $500, $1,000, or whatever pack you want to buy. And all you need to do is buy your pack, buy your membership, and activate your robot, as we mentioned earlier, every week. As long as you do that, so the first part of your membership and your position is obvious. You pay your position plus your membership. Then the other one is the only requirement is that you have to take 30 seconds out of your week to log onto your back office, to turn on the robot, to give it permission to do the trading for you. That's it. That's all you have to do. And you're going to earn money from the trading, whether you recruit or not, all the way up until you earn 70% above your package. So that's a very, very exciting situation. Now, if you want to make more money, you can invest in Trader Pro, which is same thing. We earn 0.4 to 1.5 daily for 5 months. Okay, but this one will happen will keep making money until you reach a total of 100% in earnings. That means, once again, if I started with a $1,000 position, I could earn all the way up to $2,000 in total earnings. Okay. The requirement's very simple. For the Trader Pro, in order for you to not get capped at 70%, but to go all the way up to 100%, you simply have to do what we call getting binary qualified. That means that you personally recruit somebody on your left team and you personally recruit somebody on your right team. Okay. As long as you do that and you activate your robot every single week, you can make all the way up to 100 times earnings. That means that if after, let's say, 6 months, the system reads that you already made 70%, it will not stop paying you. It's gonna keep paying you, okay, all the way up to 100%. That doesn't mean you'll earn 100%. You might make 98%. If you made 98% by the 12th month, then the contract is over. But you do not finish at 70%. It'll keep paying you past the 70%. Now, if you want to earn 4 times earnings, very simple. You become a builder. How do you become a builder? Okay, same requirements as a pro requirement, as the Trader Pro. Okay, but now you have to hit the first rank of the position of the compensation plan, which is called associate. An associate has $5,000 in sales on their left team and $5,000 in sales on their right team, spillover counts. As long as you hit those requirements, now the system is going to pay you commissions and earnings all the way up to 4 times earnings. So every time you hit 4 times earnings, you could either walk away with your earnings or you could repurchase your position once again. Your original, let's say I started with $1,000 and I made $4,000. Let's say in earnings and commissions I made $4,000 in 2 months. Well, I am not eligible to make any more commissions until I repurchase my position again. So out of my $4,000, I reinvest $1,000 plus my membership. Now I'm earning commissions and trading all over again. But here's a question. If, let's say, for instance, I get to the point, or you get to the point where you're making $4,000 a day, would you reinvest $1,000 a day to make another $4,000? Of course, and you reinvest $1,000. So that means that you're profiting $3,000 a day. And that right there is something that's very key to the sustainability of Bitcoin Traders Club, because the biggest earners in the company are some of the biggest contributors to the company, which creates a long-lasting business model. I see a lot of business models out there in the Bitcoin space, ladies and gentlemen, that are not sustainable. They're only around for 2 months or 6 months or 7 months, and then they're gone because they're paying too much on the daily trading. They're paying too much in the compensation plan. They don't have some of these locks that make the compensation plan more attractive and more sustainable. And the way I saw this when I spoke to the owners is, listen, this is a minimum of a 3 to 5 year deal minimum, because we've got real trading. We've got a compensation plan that's aggressive and sustainable at the same time. And ladies and gentlemen, to me personally, that was music to my ears. I wanted a sustainable long-term compensation plan to help a lot of people and also to help myself out as well. Okay, so let's talk about the sales marketing plan, the compensation plan. There's 6 ways to earn in the compensation plan in addition to your daily trading earnings. So the first way to earn money is very simple. You make a commission of 10% on anybody that you personally refer, 5% whoever they refer, 3% whoever they refer, and 2% whoever they refer. So let's say you signed up John on the $3,000 position. You made a $300 commission because 300 is 10% of 3,000. Let's say he signed somebody up on the platinum pack, which is a 3,000 as well. You make 5%, which is 150, and so on and so forth, 3 and 2%. Now, we're going to get into the details shortly. See, in order to earn the 4-level fast start, I have to be on the platinum package, which is a $3,000 position. In order for me to earn 3-level fast start, I have to be on the gold position, which is the $1,000 position that pays me 3 levels deep, which is a total of 18%. The silver pack, the 500, pays me 2 levels deep, which is 15%. And the bronze pack pays me only on my directs 10%. So the bigger the pack that I purchase, the more money, not only am I making more money on the trading because I've got more money trading for me, but I also qualify for bigger commissions in the compensation plan. Now, the residual bonus, okay? Very simple. The binary pays 8 to 12% on your lesser volume leg through infinity. That means that if I've got 8,000 points on my left and 6,000 points on my right, I get paid, in this example, 12% of the 6,000 equals $720 in binary commissions. So that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is very, very aggressive, very interesting. The binary is my favorite compensation plan. Now, the matrix, there's actually 2 matrix. The first matrix is a fast start matrix. That means that we get paid on every position that falls under our 2x20 matrix. So every bronze position that falls under our matrix, we get paid $1. Every silver we get paid $2, gold we get paid $3, and platinum we get paid $12, whether they fall from spillover or from the team that we built. So in a 2x20 matrix, there's a total of over 2 million positions that fit in a 2x20 matrix. However, the bronze position, the 250, only qualifies for 5 levels in the matrix, which is 32 positions on the 5th level, plus the rest of them is about 64 positions. The silver qualifies for 10 levels, the gold qualifies for 15 levels, and the platinum qualifies for all 20 levels. So ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to this compensation plan, if you want to get paid the maximum amount of money, you want to get started at least at the platinum position, because that platinum position, ladies and gentlemen, okay, is the one that pays you the entire compensation plan. You don't leave any money on the table when you have the platinum position. Now, the daily residual matrix. This here is what separates us aside from anybody else. There's literally, as of right now, as of July 2017, there's not another company, at least that I have seen, that pays a daily residual on the positions under your organization. In your matrix, that means that even positions that fall under you that you didn't recruit, if they fall under you because of spillover, you continue to get paid on them. Every day that they make daily trading money, you get paid a percentage. Here's an example. Every bronze position, 250, 40 cents is taken out of their daily trading. So whatever they earn for the day, 40 cents is taken out. And those 40 cents get divided into 20 levels. That means 2 cents times 20 levels. Every silver position, $1 gets taken out from every silver position, and that dollar gets divided 20 levels deep, which is 5 cents per level. Every gold gets $2 taken out, and so on and so forth, right? Now, imagine if you have a 2x20 matrix, and in this 2x20 matrix, let's say, for instance, you have 10,000 positions under you in your 2x20 matrix. And those positions were an average of the gold position, the $1,000 position. Your daily residual income would be $1,000 per day without any new positions entering your business. Why? Because you are now getting paid not only on your money you have trading, not only on your team that's growing, but you are also getting paid a residual income daily, 5 days a week, on the positions under your organization based on what they're making from the trading. Ladies and gentlemen, in a 2x20 matrix, once again, there's over 2 million positions that fit there. So when we talk about 10,000 positions under your 2x20 matrix, we're not talking about a lot of positions. This can happen very easy. Now, here's the deal. That's 1,000 a day with 10,000 positions. What if you have the top 3 positions? What do you have? This position plus this one and this one. The top 3 positions are yours. And if you have 10,000 positions under your position, you're double dipping on that organization. That means that instead of 1,000 a day, you'd be making $2,000 per day or $60,000 a month just off of pure residual income, because the positions in your organization are making money based on the trading. So if they're making money based on the trading, you get paid a percentage of the money they're making. You get paid anywhere from 2 cents to 50 cents on every position in your organization every day. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a true residual income. One of the things I've noticed about most of these Bitcoin companies is that you only get paid 2 ways, really. You get paid based on the money that you have personally put into the platform, or you get paid as your team grows and you continue to earn commissions as long as your team continues to grow. In this part of the compensation plan, if you've got 10,000 positions, for instance, in your matrix, and no new positions enter for 1 month, you still are making, in this example, $60,000 a month, even if no new positions come in. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a game changer. There is no other company. Keep in mind, all of the commissions, the daily trading, the commissions, the fast starts, the binary, everything is paid directly to your Bitcoin wallet within 2 to 24 hours of when you requested those commissions. So that right there, my friends, is a very, very exciting situation there, because it gets people to move. You don't have to worry about your commissions not being paid, or you having to sign somebody up in order to get started. You get paid directly to your Bitcoin wallet. Okay. Now, the renewal bonus. Get paid again and again every time people in your organization renew or repurchase their positions. 50% of these commissions are paid up. So it's very simple. Once people hit the 70% or the 100% or the 400%, they have to renew. And if they decide to renew, which most people do decide to renew, commissions are paid all over again. The fast start, the binary, the matrix, everything's paid again. The only difference is that only 50% of it is commissionable. Okay? But that is another form of residual income, because your positions are going to keep renewing, so you keep making money on existing members as well. Now, the BTC leadership ranks. Very simple. Every time you hit a rank, you get paid a bonus for every rank you hit. So the first rank is the BTC Associate. That one requires one Percy-sponsored person on the left, one Percy-sponsored person on the right, and $5,000 in sales on each leg. Okay, that gets a $100 bonus. The next rank is a manager. That requires 2 and 2, $15,000 in sales on each on your left and your right team, and that gets a $250 bonus, and so on and so forth. The next one is director, gets a $500 bonus. Executive director gets a $1,000 bonus. Then listen to diamond. When you hit diamond, that requires 5 directs on the left team, 5 directs on the right team, $150,000 in volume on each team, and a $10,000 bonus is what you get when you hit the position of diamond. The next position is the blue diamond position. That requires 6,000 in directs on the left team, 6,000 directs on the, six directs on each side, 300,000 in sales on each side, and it requires 1 diamond from your group enrollment volume, and that gets a $250 bonus, and so on and so forth, ladies and gentlemen. Black diamond is a $50,000 bonus. Crown diamond is a $100,000 bonus. Now, keep in mind, this is all, you add them all up. So when you add all these up, ladies and gentlemen, that's almost $200,000 in bonuses just by ranking up and by helping other people. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is a very, very exciting compensation plan. Once again, I have not seen, one of the things that attracted to me about this, when the owner of this company shared this with me, I got a feel for the first time in a Bitcoin company of a traditional network marketing company with ranks, with incentives to hit these ranks, with a lucrative but yet conservative and sustainable compensation plan and real trading. Okay, so how do you get started? First of all, we have to purchase our membership. Everybody pays $50 for their membership. Okay, the membership is good for 12 months. Okay, or whenever you renew your position. Now, here are the positions. The positions go as follows. There's a bronze position, the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Remember, whatever position you get, if you get the bronze pack, you've got $250 that you're trading with. The platinum position has $3,000 that they're trading with. So naturally, what they're going to make daily based off of the trading profits is going to vary, because the platinum has more money trading than the bronze. So you obviously, the bigger the pack, the more money you make daily. Now, the bronze pack gets you 1 level fast start. The silver gets you 2 level fast start, 10% on your directs and 5% on their directs. The gold gets you 3 levels, 10, 5, and 3. And then the platinum gets you all 4 levels fast start bonus, 10 on your directs, 5 on their directs, 3 on their directs, and 2 on their directs. The binary pays between 8 to 12% binary, depends on what pack you buy. And then the matrix pays you between 5 levels deep all the way up to the entire 20 levels deep. So very simple. If you want to build a big team and you want to make the most amount of money and not leave any money on the table, I would highly encourage you to get started with the platinum position, is what I would recommend you to get started. Now, keep in mind, all positions, all sales marketing accounts are purchased with Bitcoin, just like our commissions are paid in Bitcoin. We mention dollar amounts, but we mention dollar amounts for the simple fact for people to understand, and it makes it easy. But everything is paid in Bitcoin, and commissions are paid 100% in Bitcoin as well. So the question is, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to start? What I would recommend you do is that you get together with the person that invited you, that shared this link with you, that shared this video with you. Let them know that you're ready to get started. If you have questions, get together with them, get your questions answered, and let's get you started, because this company launched about a month ago. And we are in full momentum, and people in the we believe that all roads in the Bitcoin space lead to Bitcoin Traders Club. It's the only company that I personally have verified that's doing actual trading, pays us directly to the wallet, and has a sustainable yet aggressive compensation plan. So we're very exciting. Get together with the person that invited you and shared this video with you, and we'll see you guys at the next events. Have a good day. Bitcoin is a new digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions for Bitcoin are made with no middlemen, meaning there is no banks involved. Nowadays, there's more and more merchants around the world starting to accept Bitcoin. As of July 2017, there's over 500,000 businesses in Japan alone that are accepting Bitcoin. A lot of Asian markets are accepting Bitcoin a lot more. And even here in the United States, there's a lot of companies accepting Bitcoin. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Bitcoin Traders Club opportunity presentation. I'm very excited to share this information. When I heard about this company for the first time, the owner called me. He's a friend of mine from Panama, and he calls me and he says, listen, I want you to get involved with this company. I want you to be the master distributor of the company. And one of the things I said, listen, the only way that I'll get involved with any Bitcoin trading company is if I verify that they really are doing the trading and that they're making enough money from the trading in order to share in the profits with the members. Is a cryptocurrency trading and arbitrage company founded in 2017 to help individuals with automatic hands-free trading. Okay, so pretty much what the company does is that they take our Bitcoin, they trade it through the arbitrage model, which we'll get into a little bit later, and based on the company's profits for the day, they share in those profits with us, and all commissions are paid 100% in Bitcoin. BTC, Bitcoin Traders Club, offers individuals the potential opportunity to profit from the cryptocurrency markets without having experience in trading, without you doing the trading yourselves. Simply getting a position, locking it in, and having the company trade your Bitcoin for you, you're able to earn a passive income, which means there is no recruiting. There is no selling involved in order for you to make money. Now, however, if you do recruit, you do sell, and you participate in the compensation plan, well, you're obviously going to earn commissions based on building a team as well. But you don't have to do that in order to earn the passive income from the daily trading that the company does. So what is our market? Bitcoin Traders Club market is, when it comes to, and obviously that's the most important thing for me, but in addition to that, we have to make sure that the trading is real, the compensation plan is aggressive and sustainable at the same time. After I saw what he showed me, the trading results that he was getting trading cryptocurrency through the arbitrage model, I got very excited and started building this, and as they say, the rest is history. So I'm very excited to share the Bitcoin Traders opportunity with you here today. So let's go ahead and jump right into the presentation. So who are we? Bitcoin Traders Club